This joint nice. Sure is. Cause he need to start fucking with my shit. I'm doing toes for the 50. If you need a toe, get at me. I even do it for free. It ain't my truck. He gonna quit fucking with my car. That's what he gonna do. I snatched it before he could snatch my car. What y'all need? Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing, I'm homebound. Do-do-do-do-do-do. So I can't really go back and show y'all him because he's standing outside looking stupid because I live in a dead end. But do-do-do-do-do-do. Making my way downtown. Tell Tink, give me $250 for his truck back. Cause making my way downtown. You need a tow? Cause making my way downtown. Walking fast, faces passing them homebound. Tell Tank, get on here. He want his shit back, cause I ain't coming back. Y'all wanna pull up on him? He pulled up to me thinking that my car was in the yard. Garage. He better get them kids and them snacks. That's what he better do. Y'all want to see him? Let's go see him. Hold on, roll the window down so y'all can see him. Hold on. Skirt! Hey! How y'all doing? The neighbor's like, why that girl driving that tow truck like that? Y'all, I can barely reach the pedals. I ain't got no shoes on, nothing. He looked running. I ran outside and jumped in it. Cause making my way downtown. You got my 250? Y'all got my 250 over there? Y'all got my 250? Look at him standing there. Y'all got